Mga kaganapan sa ating himpilan, ihahatid sa inyo, #PalaNews.
Ang pagdaloy ng mga parangal ngayong araw sa ating mahal na punong manananggol pambayan, Pau Chief Persida Acosta.
Kaya mga #ka-followers, ipinakikilala po namin sa inyo ang
Philippine Leaders Award!
Ito nga po yung 4 awards. Kaya pang ika-4 parangal po. Ito po sa pangunguna ni
Director Mark Nino Piluya, Film and Event Director of the Philippine Leaders Award, and Gawad Sining.
Congratulations to Attorney Persida Virueda Acosta, the Chief of the Public Attorney's Office, PAO, for being awarded the 2025 Philippine Leaders Award for Excellence in National Public Service, held at the Centennial Hall, the Manila Hotel, on April 25, 2025. About the Philippine Leaders Award. The Philippine Leaders Award is one of the country's most respected platforms, recognizing exemplary leaders from various fields including government, business, public service, education, and civil society. It honors individuals who demonstrate visionary leadership, integrity, and excellence in their respective roles, contributing significantly to national development and social progress. Awardees are carefully selected based on their achievements, leadership impact, and sustained contributions to the betterment of the Filipino lives. The annual event brings together change makers and servant leaders who embody the true spirit of public service and nation building. Congratulations again to the one and only Attorney Dr. Persida Virueda Acosta, DSD.
On behalf of the Public Attorney's Office, lawyers and staff, and the million clientele of the Public Attorney's Office, we hereby acknowledge and express our gratitude to the Philippine Leaders Awards and its group for giving us this award. Napakarami pong pasasalamat sa Panginoon Diyos dahil kahit po kami ay tahimik na nagtatrabaho, ay nakikita, nararamdaman ng maraming award-giving bodies ang aming pagtitiis, sakripisyo, at paglilingkod na buong puso at katapatan. Mabuhay po kayo, sir. Mabuhay po ang inyong angkan. Maraming salamat po dito sa pagkilala na ito.